What's going on there? Ranger. Look at the camera, Ranger. He won't do it. Hey, Ranger. It's my dog, Ranger. He's an Australian cattle dog. I cannot say the name, but I will next time. Catterwampus or something. Catterwooter. Catterhooter. Catahooter. Something like that. Catahooter. I think that's it. Good old puppy dog, though. Come here. Come here. Here he comes. Him's a good old boy. What y'all think about old Ranger? Got my work clothes on. I tore up and everything. Ranger, look here. Look here, Ranger. Look here. Look here. Look here. He don't want to. He's a good old boy, though. Ain't you, Ranger? Where you going, Ranger? Where you going, boy? Nowhere. I'm gonna sit down right here. He's scared of music and motors. We had to get him used to all that stuff. He's a good old dog, though. He ran off on me the other day, but he come back. I think he was running a deer. Was you running a deer, Ranger? He don't talk back much. What's up, Ranger? Get up in here. Look here. See everybody, he's got a blue eye. Look here. And he won't look at me. Look here. Look here. There it is. See that? Something else. Yeah, he's a good old boy, though. He's real bonded with me pretty good because he come back. And usually when dogs run out, they don't come back. I think he got after, there's a good old fire out there, though. I think he got after a deer or hog or a bear or something. Tried to herd it because that's their natural instincts to herd people, herd things, herd people. He tries to herd me. He's a trip, though. Good company out here at the cabin. So I got my dog at the cabin and thought I'd do a video with him. He's a good old boy. Don't bark at nothing unless it's something like an animal or something coming around. Or four-wheelers. He barks at four-wheelers. But people, he don't really bark at them. I mean, I'm sure he would if they're strangers. But he is a trip. Very athletic. Very thin. I mean, he's not thin, but I think he's like what he's supposed to be. No, don't chew on that. Don't chew on that. Just starting to chew on a dowel I had out here. I'm going to make a rake handle out of. What do you think about it, Ranger? Yeah, I got the fire going out there. Looking pretty decent. I mean, I wasn't going to build a fire today, but I thought I'd try to run off some skeeters that was biting me pretty bad. Oh, one of my lights has come on. Ranger seen it. Caught it out of the corner of my eye coming on. Ranger sees it and said, what is that? You see that light, Ranger? There's a light over there. We hadn't been here much after dark because I'm still packing up from the other place. He hadn't seen the solar lights come on. There's one out there on one of those trees. He's looking in it. What are you doing? Just curious. See that light? My other lights on the tree behind the truck will come on in a minute. He'll see those. Or one of them will come on. The other one's their motion sensor. For late night, you know, when something comes in the yard, they'll come on. Anyhow, folks, that's all I got with Ranger and me in the fire. Hey, y'all like, subscribe, and holler at me now and then, people. Like hearing from you. It's just old breaking traditions out here in the woods. Got my dog going. I'm sure that will get copyright, but that's okay.